I could give you a project template with everything already set up for you, but you'll learn a lot more about Scrivener by creating the template yourself. So we're going to start from the beginning with a blank Scrivener project file. Name it the working title of your writing project. If you don't have a title yet, just name it Working Title. The blank template has 3 default binder items that are always included: the manuscript or draft folder, the research folder, and the trash can. The Scrivener novel template has a document template called Character Sketch. This is a static page with all of the information about your character. This is something you could do in any word processing program. Scrivener isn't just a word processing program, it's a powerful writing management program. Why wouldn't you want to take advantage of these features? It's like using a state-of-the-art jet plane to taxi people from one end of the airport to another, going 35 miles an hour and never leaving the ground. Why would you do that? The document template in Scrivener is also much more than just a document format or a worksheet. A single template can have multiple folders and document files with associated labels, status stamps, keywords, and so forth. The first step is to set up a templates folder. Under the Research tab, create a folder called Templates. Now, Scrivener needs to know that this is the Templates folder. So open the project settings by either going to Project Settings, or use Option, Command, and Comma, or just use the Project Settings button. If you don't have the button in your toolbar, you can add it by right-clicking on the toolbar, choosing Customize Toolbar, and drag the Settings button to your toolbar. Now go to Special Folders, click on the arrow, and it will show any folders under the Research tab. Choose the Templates folder. You'll see now that the icon for the character has changed to a T, indicating that it's the Templates folder. Now create a folder called Character Template. And even though we're not going to cover settings in this workshop, you can go ahead and create another folder called Setting Template, so that you can see that you can add as many templates under the template folder that you need. In the next video, we'll fill out the character template.